Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Najiha binti Hamdan. I am from group The Trio. My team member is Nur Syahzanani binti Zubair and also Nur Hidayu binti Muhammad. This video we would like to present our website and also demo our website features and all the things that we have in our website.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahzanani binti Zubair. For my part, I will explain about the login page, register page, and also expenses function. So basically, this is our login page for e-budget system. If the user already have the account, they can fill in the email address and also the password. If the user doesn't have any account, they can click on the register. So at the register, they have to fill in the name, email address, password, and confirm password. So I will create one user. gmail.com and fill in the password. And after the user have filled in the requirement, they can click on the register button. After that, if we see at the database, the user that we have created before have been saved in our database. Next, this is the dashboard for e-budget system. So basically at the dashboard, user can see the total income, total expenses, and balance. We also provide the 4 function for user, which is total summary, income, expenses, and to-do list. And at the sidebar, it also have the function for user to click it. So I will explain for the expenses function. User can either click on the view all or at the sidebar for the function expenses. So if the user want to add new expenses, they can click on the add new expenses. They have to fill in the expenses description, expenses amount, and also the expenses date. So after user have filled in all the requirement, they can click on the save button. So after that, after user have saved the expenses, they can view the expenses that they have been created. So user also can either delete or edit the expenses. So if user want to edit the expenses, they can click on the edit icon. So they can change the description, expenses amount, and also the expenses date. So after user have done for the update, they can click on the update button. And if the user want to delete the expenses, they can click on the icon delete. So after user have clicked on the icon delete, it will pop up the message that say expenses details deleted successfully. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Alright, for the income feature, here is the first interface of income feature. Okay, we can add new income. Okay, for example, we put gaji Sushi King. Okay, and then we put like 2,000, the value, the income of the salary we get. Okay, for example, we save, and it will appear the new thing, the new income we has added. But we can also update, we can also edit. For example, we get like bonus 2,500 the amount, and we can update here. Alright, and then we can also add new. For example, we put monthly allowance maybe from our parents like 231 ringgit and we save. And then from this new income that has been added, we can also delete if you wanted. And also we can see all the summaries of income and also the expenses at here. All summaries tab. Okay, here it will show all the data of total income, our total expense, and also the balance. For example, here we have the gaji Sushi King and also the monthly allowance. So it will add calculate here our income, which is 2,730, and also the expense that we has spent, for example wireless mouse, tote bag, and also the PVC staple clothes from the Shopee. And then it will show the balance the balance money we have here. And from this all summary, we can say that this our website will calculate by itself um, any total income, any total expense that the user added, and we can see the balance here. It will calculate our amount, our income, our expense. Also, we can also use the calculator if you're not very sure about the our website calculating the amount. For example, 2730 minus by 36.50, and it will show the same amount as the balance of total income and also the expense.
Okay, so I will continue on to-do list page. Okay, so basically I'm using coding in my PC because I have problem with my laptop. I have a virus, so I'm doing the coding in PC, and then I screen recording, and then I will show you how it's work. Okay, so let me open the video because I want to put my face on. Okay, so here is the to-do list page. We add dashboard and to-do list here, and then we have a button to add new to-do, and then if the user press on, it will appear the to-do description, which is the user need to fill in, and then save. It will save in the database, and I add the second to-do, sidai baju, and then update the date for the sidai baju, and then save. Here we have a prompt at good luck to complete a task to motivate the user, and then we can close up the prompt, and then if we press on edit, we can update to-do list, to-do description, and the date. So here I update the description of to-do list, and then will become tonight, and then update. It will update it in the database. So if we press on delete, it will show the delete, and it will show the medal for the user because 1 until 3 user have the medal bronze. 4 until 9 user will have medal of silver, and 10 to-do list that they are delete, they will get gold medal. Okay, so here we can see the bronze medal here, and then if we click on the calculator here, we can see the calculator, and then log out screen, and then we can log out. Let me refresh back, and then it will go to the logout page. Okay, if we click on the medal, it should be, let me stop the sharing, and then show you the Tenenet database here. Tenenet database. Okay, after the user log in into our page or register into our page, it will insert the player here because we insert into our register and login controller, and then we can view the player here, what the player playing here. If the player if the user delete the to-do list, then they will get the medal. This is one of the medal, and then this what the user, we insert the user on delete controller, and then this is the leaderboard that user can see through if the user click on the medal button such as bronze, silver, and gold. Okay, so that's it for my part. Thank you.